it is brutal out here. 4 hours, still no power. During a heat wave, of course. Naturally. Yeah. Let me call the power company. They'll rectify the situation like that. Yeah. Fuck them too. Wow. 100 degrees today. 100 degrees. But they say it feels like 110. So if it feels like 110, just say it's 110. Wow, it's just as bad out here as it is in the house. Holy shit. I had to get out of the kitchen because I couldn't stand the heat. She's all miserable. Can't use the hairdryer, no electricity. It's just one fucking thing after the other. Man, it is brutal out here. Holy shit. Woo! Wow. Fuck. Man, I am sweating bullets, let me tell you. Wow. What is that? Could it be? Wow. A mirage. I'm delirious now. Feels like 120. Fuck. Wow, look at this. Holy shit. Sand. Man, it is hot as balls in here. Yeah. Go fuck yourself. Man, it is so hot. It is so hot that you can fry an egg. Oh my God. It's so hot you can fry a fucking egg. The sun is just baking. I can't take it. Oh my God. It's not the heat, it's the humidity.